Class is back in session this morning for even more Bay Area kids. 3 more counties start school this morning.
And that includes the students over in Pasco, Sarasota, and Hernando counties. Good morning. We know you're getting up. We've got team coverage across the Bay Area this morning, and we're going to start with Amanda Shavari live near Southside Elementary in Sarasota. Good morning.
Good morning, Marco. Here in Sarasota, they can do a little bit of bragging as they welcome back those students. Sarasota District is only one of 2 districts in the entire state of Florida to maintain an A rating. Every year, the Department of Education has kept track of those numbers. And here at 8 on Your Side, we broke down the most recent figures for you. In Sarasota, 42 schools maintained an A or a B rating. Sarasota County has 7 C-rated schools, 1 D-rated school, and 0 F-rated schools. And 10 Sarasota schools recently increased their rating from a B to an A or a C to a B. This year, the district is adding 5 new principals. The superintendent feels this will help grow the district even more.
It's always great to get outside eyes. You know, even in a high-performing school, you kind of fall into certain routines. You know what works, but sometimes you don't examine all of your practices. So I've never seen an organization that you couldn't fine-tune, and so hopefully with a new set of eyes, they'll see new opportunities to serve kids.
And that's the superintendent right there. Interesting note, it's also his first day of school. He was hired in March, but today will mark his first day of his first full year. And Gail, he tells me that, well, he is definitely excited, but also a little bit nervous. He kind of equated it to being a kindergarten student going into their first day of school.
We all remember that feeling. All right.